Hello friends, this is Teki Kuntal. Today I will discuss about how you can find out different Windows versions or editions are available in a Windows image file. So I have these Windows 11 image file. So to know what are the different Windows versions or editions are available in that image file, I will mount it. So once I mount it, I can see there are different files and folders. So I will go inside this sources folder and then I need to find out something called install.wim. So these extension can be different from time to time or file to file, but it will always be starting with install. Now you just need to copy the path of this file. So to know what is the exact path, press shift, right click, and then copy as path. I have already these command, so you just need to paste the exact path here and then copy entirely. So I just copied it. I will open command prompt as the admin. I will paste. Now you can see what are the different editions available in that image file. It is visible. That's it. So I will also talk about one more thing, that if you have a bootable USB, from there also you can find it out what are the different versions available in that particular image. I have this USB file which is already inserted, and here I have Windows 10. To know what are the different Windows 10 editions are available, I just need to go inside the sources folder again, and then I need to find out install. I have this install.esd file. So here you can see that extension is .esd. Previously it was WIM. Now here it is ESD. So no problem. I will do shift and right click again. Copy as path. I will open my command. Paste the path here. Copy the entire thing. Open CMD. Run it as an administrator. Paste the command. Hit enter. You can see the different Windows 10 editions or versions it is showing me. That's all. Thank you for watching.